Welcome to Eagle Alloy. Come on inside and let us show you how we produce world-class castings. We are a profit-sharing and employee-owned manufacturing company that was started over 40 years ago. Our nearly 300,000 square foot facility is located in the lakeshore community of Muskegon, Michigan. Our quality and engineering teams provide our 300 customers with the expertise to produce 150 different alloys of castings, utilizing some of the newest industry technologies such as 3D modeling and 3D printed materials, simulation software, 3D scanning, and creating our own robotic cell. This group is responsible to ensure we stay an industry leader in this highly competitive market. In partnership with our production department, our highly engaged workforce ensures the highest of quality is met in each of the 3,000 part numbers we produce. Our size of castings range from less than 1 pound to 500 pounds. Servicing about 20 different industries, Eagle Alloy provides castings to several recognizable customers such as Harley-Davidson, John Deere, Cat, and Bobcat. Some of our proudest achievements include Michigan Manufacturer of the Year, Modern Castings Manufacturer of the Year, along with many other customer quality awards. Eagle Alloy has wide variety of opportunities from general laborer, molders, welders, furnace technicians, maintenance staff, inspectors, engineering and quality position, CNC and tooling construction staff, internships, co-ops, and many more. So if you are an individual looking for a company with a great culture, pride of employee ownership, and look for a career, not just a job, come on down to apply. We are always looking to hire the right people to ensure we remain world-class as we move forward.